In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add images into your Google Docs document, a skill you will find incredibly useful whether you're preparing a school project, a professional report, or simply organizing information for a personal project. Adding visuals to your documents can significantly enhance the comprehensibility and appeal of your content. First, let's start by opening your Google Doc. Make sure you've got your document ready, or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once you've got your document open on your screen, you'll need to decide where exactly you'd like to place your image. This step is crucial because the location of your visuals can impact how your content flows and how easy it is for readers to follow along. So click on the spot where you'd like your image to appear. Just place your cursor at the right location in your text. With that done, you're ready to move on to inserting the actual image. Direct your attention to the top menu of your Google Docs window. You're going to click on Insert. This is a drop-down menu packed with options that allow you to enhance your document with various elements, including images. Hover over to Image and, in doing so, you'll open up another set of choices. Now, this is where you need to decide where your image is coming from. Google Docs gives you a variety of options to ensure you can easily insert images from the most convenient source. You have the possibility of uploading directly from your computer, which is perfect if you have the image saved locally. Simply select Upload from Computer, navigate through your files to find the image you want, and select it. Alternatively, maybe you have the image stored in your Google Drive. In that case, click on Drive. This will open a window showing your Drive files, allowing you to quickly browse and select the file you need. Another great option is using Google Photos if your pictures are backed up there. Choose Photos, and you will be presented with your available images. Lastly, you can insert images via URL or web search, which is particularly handy if you're working with images you found online and want to include without downloading them first. Once you've navigated to your preferred source and chosen the image you want, you'll proceed by selecting the image and then clicking Open or Insert, depending on the prompt. This final step will embed the image directly into your document at the exact spot you previously selected. And there you have it, folks. Adding images to your Google Docs is an easy yet powerful way to enhance your documents. By following these steps, you can make any document more engaging and visually appealing in no time. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful for you. Happy editing, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials.